Evacuation, fat or skinny? The reason we want to evacuate is to remove moisture, acid, PUE or oil sludge, and non-condensables. In order to accomplish a quick evacuation, you're going to need a core removal tool. As a matter of fact, you should get two. Two is better than one. It's going to save you a lot of time. Why remove the cores? I think this picture shows you pretty clearly that you have a lot better flow with the core removed. Along with your core removal tools, you should have a good manifold and a good 1/2 inch short hose. In evacuation terms, short and fat is good, tall or long and skinny is bad. This chart shows clearly that if you're trying to pull a 500 micron vacuum with a 6-foot 1/4 inch hose, it's going to take you 47 minutes. If you use a 6-foot 1/2 inch hose, it'll drop that down to a 6-minute evacuation time. You'll also need a good 2-stage 5 to 7 CFM vacuum pump and a good micron gauge to tell us when we achieve at least a 500 micron vacuum. So remember, when pulling a vacuum, do not pull through a manifold gauge with 2 1/4 inch 6-foot hoses with cores in place. Using core removal tool, remove the valve cores, connect a 1/2 inch hose to core removal tools and to the brass T. Connect a short 1/2 inch hose to the T and to the pump, and achieve at least a 500 micron vacuum.
Go to arefco.com for more videos. Like, subscribe, and check back every week for new videos.